especially on your nose. Just cover those areas. And this have a very pleasant fragrance. It smells so good. Do not let this one get in your eyes. It do have granules in it. And work fast with it because it's dry really quick. Okay? And you can always take this down on the neck and the décolleté. Ooh, I just love this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Look what I have here. Banana. An overripe banana. Now this banana here is amazing for the skin. It will have to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, especially when you use the banana peel on the inner portion. That is where you get all of the antioxidant that can help to clear the skin of pigmentation. The flesh of the banana is very hydrating on the skin, and that will have to keep the skin soft and supple. So overall, the entire banana is good for your skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how to use the banana to make a facial mask. Now I'm going to mix this with some other ingredient that is going to have to control sweating on the face, also have to get rid of excess oil from the skin. So do not click off, continue watching for a full detailed recipe and exactly how to use the banana on the skin for fast effective result. For this recipe, you're going to need a blender. We're going to use banana, and banana is very hydrating to the skin. It is also great for clearing pimples on the skin, getting rid of blackheads and whitehead. It's good to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So I'm going to be using a half of a large banana. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the banana. So once we peel the banana, I'm going to chop it for easier blending. And we're going to add this to the blender. Now when it comes on to the banana peel, it's loaded with skin brightening properties. So we're just going to scrape. And we're going to add this to the blender also, along with the flesh of the banana. My second ingredient is cornstarch. If you have oily skin, this will help to get rid of the grease from the skin. Now the cornstarch is also going to help to cool your skin, especially in the warmer months, or if you live somewhere where it's warm all the time, it's going to have to control the sweating on your face. So I'm using a tablespoon of the cornstarch. Pour that in. My next ingredient is honey, and honey is a humectant that will lock the moisture in the skin, keep the skin hydrated. It also have antibacterial properties, making it good for blackheads and whitehead and acne on the skin. So we're using about a teaspoon of that honey. Pour that in. So here in our blender we have banana and we also have some cornstarch, and now we're going to add some liquid to this. Now our first milk is soy milk, and we're using soy milk for its vitamin A properties, which will have to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. If you have regular milk, no soy milk, go ahead and use that. We're using about a tablespoon of the soy milk. Pour that in. So here in our blender we have banana, we also have banana peel, we have some soy milk and some cornstarch. And now we're using one oil in this remedy, and my oil of choice is coconut oil. However, if you have other oils such as grapeseed oil or avocado oil, go ahead and use that. A half a teaspoon of the coconut oil, not a lot, just about a half a teaspoon. I'm also going to add a little bit of a rose water, about a half a teaspoon for its hydrating properties, optional. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. And now take a look and let's just pour this out. And this is it. Here we have our facial moisturizer. Now this you're going to use on your skin, and let me do a quick demonstration on my hands for you to see. You're going to be generous with it, and you can use a brush to apply this or use your hands. And it's a very, very thin mask, but it's going to dry on the skin. Remember, we use the cornstarch in it. So you're going to apply it all over your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Let me go back, add a little more. And you're going to leave that on your skin to dry. Give it 30 minutes to dry on the skin. It's going to tighten, firm, and hydrate the skin. Get rid of excess oil and grease from the skin. Rinse off after 30 minutes, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare products. Now, this is good to use 2 to 3 times per week on the skin. However, if you want to, you can use it every day on the skin. Amazing, quick, and easy facial mask for oily skin and also all skin type. Now let's pour this in our storage jar, and you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. If it's get a little dark, that's okay, not to worry. It's still very effective to use on the skin. So here we have it, our facial mask, banana cornstarch facial mask. And there you have it. What can I say? Banana, who knew? It is really, really good for the skin. It helps the skin to look younger and fresher. So don't be afraid to whip this up and use it on your skin. 2 to 3 times per week is best. However, it can be used on the skin every day, especially for oily skin. Use this up, and guess what? That cornstarch that we use in it will also have to tighten the skin. So do not shy away from this recipe. Give it a try and use it for a couple of weeks, and then come back and leave a comment. If you like this video, you want to see more, then you can find more of these videos on my channel page. So click on my face below, which will take you to the channel page. On the channel page, you're going to find a wide variety of videos. We even have some in playlists, like we have videos for dark under eye circles, we have skin tightening videos, we have facial serums, we have facial oils, just a wide variety of natural homemade products, natural homemade remedies that you can use on the skin. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao. Bye-bye.